another mukbang, and today I have for y'all is McDonald's. I have the classic chicken burger. I have a 10-piece chicken nuggets. You'll see them right there. I also got some honey, or some barbecue sauce, sorry. Some barbecue sauce right there. Got me a Coke. Have me some french fries, which I'm just going to pour them out because what I'm going to do is use this as my ketchup holder. That was the bottle. There was the bottle, that wasn't me. Anyways, how's everybody's morning, noon, night, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this? I hope you're having an awesome one. Oh, today's Monday. Went back to work. Oh my God. It was definitely one of them days. This is what the classic burger looks like. 2 pickles, a little bit, I guess, mayonnaise, ketchup kind of sauce. Anyways, this is who wants a bite. Tastes pretty good. It's like real tender. Didn't expect it from that. It tastes real good. Here's my chicken nugget. I love their barbecue sauce. I have to do my little video real quick because when my husband's here, he likes to make a lot of noise. So I have to do it before he gets home. Yeah, from work. Shh, don't tell him that. I haven't had chicken nuggets in a long time. Actually, I haven't had McDonald's in a long time. Last time I had McDonald's, they messed up on my order and I was so upset. Because I asked for no cheese, I think, and oh, I got a fish burger. I asked for no cheese and extra tartar sauce, and they left everything in it, and they had the ticket on the outside of the box, but yet it still had the cheese, and it just had like a little tiny bit of tartar sauce. So yeah, it really upset me. So today, I was like, I'm not going to special order anything. I'm just going to get what I'm going to get, and that's it. They can't do no mistakes with that, right? Just go in there and get what you're going to get, and let's go. That's what I did. I took my puppy with me. We came back and I let her walk to the door, and I was like, the princess is here, and she just standing there like all excited, all happy and everything. waiting to get inside the house. And then she gets in this house and she gets all excited and she's playing with the dogs and she's running around with the boys and stuff. I was like, that's right. That's the princess. She even has a little crown to prove it. I'll show you. Maybe right here. Show you her in her little crown. I think I showed y'all before, but I'll show y'all again. Just because she's so darn cute. I wonder if my husband would want to do the nugget challenge with me. I should ask him and see what he says. I also have a game that me and him are supposed to play, and we just haven't had time to do it yet. It's not that we didn't have time. It's that he's been sick. And you know what happens when you're sick. You don't want to do nothing. You just want to lay there. You just want to, like, everybody just leave you alone and don't mess with you. And, you know, I totally understand that. I did also make a little salad a while ago. Let me see if you see that. It has bacon bits, it has cheese, shredded cheese, it has a little bit of meat in it. But I was undecided what I wanted to eat. It has croutons, and it has French dressing, and a little tomato. To eat, so like, should I make a salad or should I go get McDonald's? So I was like, let me just eat both. I'll just eat both of them. That'll be good. So I made the salad. Little piece of chicken. Oh. I'm gonna save the chicken for later. I went to the store just a while ago. I should have did like a little haul from the store because I bought quite a bit of stuff. Sorry, I just got caught up eating and just kept on eating. Sorry. Today, croutons are hard. Anyway, bless you. Bless you. Anyways, today what I was saying earlier is today my husband went by my job today, by my building, because he was working days today. Hold on, G. And so he went by there. He went to drop off a drink and a bag of chips. Bless you. And I went back inside work, and I'm thinking about it. And this girl comes up to me, and she's like, "Was that your husband?" I'm like, "Yeah." "Oh, I was just wondering." "Okay. Why are you wondering?" Well, it's kind of weird. And this other lady comes in, and she's like, "Oh, you're still here?" "Yeah. Why wouldn't I be? I don't leave till 4 o'clock." "Oh, but we saw your car." "Okay." I was like, they were like, "Well, we seen your car, so we thought your husband picked you up. You went home." I was like, "Look, I don't have to have an explanation why my husband comes by here. But if y'all wanted to know, my husband brought me a Coke and some chips. Which, he was supposed to bring that about lunchtime. And he didn't go to lunch until 3:20 about. And so he finally was able to take me my chips and my drink. Which I couldn't go to the store because he had the car. Whenever he's working days, I let him drive the car. And then he drives it to his building. Then when I'm ready, he'll pick me up, and then I go drop him off, and then I come home. And anyways, yeah, they were all being nosy, and they're wondering why he was there. They're like, when I first got there in the morning, the girls walked in there, and they're like, "Oh, you're here? I didn't see your car outside. Where's your car? Who dropped you off?" I'm like, damn, 20 questions or what? Is it because I didn't have my car outside? Look, if you wanted to know my husband's working days, and he took the car. It's like, they're nosy. They just want to know everything. It's crazy. But You know how some people are. You know how some people are. They want to know your business and want to know everything that's going on. And then they'll be going over there talking about it. Half the time, they don't even know what they're talking about, because by the time it gets to a certain person, it's already done over and said with, and it's something totally different than what it was. Yeah. But anyways, it was just crazy. It was a crazy day. I had rather have been outside in a warehouse than inside. Went to see the Black Panther the other day. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Y'all want to know? Who wants to know? You want to know? Do you want to know? Or do you want to know? Let me tell you. I fell asleep. Yeah. I fell asleep through the whole movie. I only saw bits and pieces of it. So what I've heard about the movie, I've heard it's good. It's an awesome movie. But I don't know because I fell asleep. Who does that? Who falls asleep in the movies? So anyways, I don't have that much minutes on my camera. So anyways, so yeah, I'm guilty. I fell asleep in the movie. Shame on me. My husband told me he's never going to take me to another movie because I always fall asleep. The only reason why I fell asleep was because I didn't get no sleep that night. My dogs kept me up all night. So yeah, I had an excuse. But it's all good. I'll wait till the movie comes out on video or on my Kodi and I'll watch it. Either one. Either or. Who likes French dressing in their salad? I love French dressing. Let me know what kind of dressing y'all like in your salads. I think this salad came out the bomb. I hate whenever I have my light on. It feels hot in here when it's on, and then right as soon as I turn it off, it gets cold. Or I get cold. I start freezing. I think I should have did my video on my salad only. It's alright. I ate a little bit of everything. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. I hope y'all give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that notification bell just so y'all get notified whenever I post a video. Anyways, y'all have a great day, great night, great morning, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. And until my next video, bye!